Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to give you like a brief video of how to do your OneNote and your SWAY, just in case you feel like you're overwhelmed and you're freaking out. I totally understand. So hopefully this will help you out a little bit. Don't get frustrated and overwhelmed. This is just to get you familiar with it. But next week we'll start with our word processing information. This is just to get everybody kind of acclimated to the semester and everything like that, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I have opened up my app screen by going to the JCC homepage, going to student email and logging in. And then this way I can see all my apps here. And we're going to start with OneNote. And if you should have access to everything. Let me close this back out. Let me start something else. You're actually going to go to OneNote because I already have OneNotes in here. I'm just going to go here. You won't have this icon, but you'll still do the same process. So I'm just going to create a class notebook. Actually, I really need to show you the other process here. Let me see. Because mine is already set up, you're not going to see the same thing, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my OneNote from my computer, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Just take my steps here. When you go to OneNote and it opens up, then there's a little box at the top of the window that says Edit in OneNote. Click on that and then click Open OneNote 2016. When you do that, then you're going to get this screen here, okay? And what you're going to do is you're just going to go to File, New, and we're going to create a new notebook, and I believe it was called Research something another. So we're going to just do that, okay? And I'm going to make sure that I select my OneDrive Johnston CC here, and then I'm going to click Browse, and then it's going to name it for me here, okay, and then click Create. And it'll take it just a second. I'm not going to invite anyone now, so I'm just going to say not now. Okay, when you get into here, this is where you're going to create your 3 tabs that your book talks about. And you can create the tabs across the top. So this one I'm just going to double click, and let me get my book. I remember roughly what they were. Okay, we're going to type take detailed notes. Take detailed notes. Click here. We're going to type be respectful in class. Okay, and I can just copy that, paste it, and then the same here for the third one is come to class prepared. Okay. Alright, so now once we have that, I'm going to minimize it. I'm going to go to a new tab online, and I'm going to type in the very first thing that we are looking for is take detailed notes. And you can just pick any topic you want. And once we get to a topic we want, we're just going to highlight some information, copy it, open up our OneNote, and make sure we're under the right tab, and Control V. Notice that it puts the address from the web there that we went to. Do the same thing for this one here. And I'm going to do a search. And again, just pick anything, and you can actually copy images and things like that. So I'm just going to go here, make sure I'm in the right place. Okay. Do the same thing for each one, and doesn't look like it gave me anything there. Okay. Not sure what it's trying to do here. Let me go get something else. I really like that one. Okay, I've got all of that. Let's see. Okay, so put something in there. Okay, so we're good for that. All right, do the same thing for the third one. And I'm going to go here to search, put it in there, find a topic, and no, I don't like that one. Okay, here's one. Go back to OneNote, paste it. Okay, so now that we have something in all three tabs, we are now going to share it. So we're going to go to File and Share, and we want to get a sharing link. So we click that. Make sure you do the View link because we don't want anyone to edit it. Click Create Link. When you create the link there, it's going to give me a link here. I just click one time, it turns it to blue. Control C on the keyboard. Now I'm going to go to Blackboard, and I'm going to go into my class, and I'm going to go here, and you find your assignment link, and that's where you're going to go into the actual comment section. This is for OneNote. Just come down here and do Control V. If I do right click paste, it's going to give me this message. Okay, so to paste we need to do Control plus V right here. Okay, so click Control V and submit. Okay, and that's all you need to do for the OneNote. Now mine is not going to save because I'm not a student, so you won't get that error message. So that's how you do OneNote. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my apps, and I'm going to close this out. Now I'm going to do SWAY. Okay, so I'm just going to do New Blank SWAY. Now what you need to do is here is this little plus sign. You can add things. I can add text, images. So if you want to add a picture of yourself here, you find an image, and you can actually, go from your device here, from your OneDrive account, and when you find it, I'm going to see if I can find a picture of me somewhere. Oh no. Here's one. Okay. So it's going to put that in there, and then I want to add some text. So this one would be like academic background, and then in here you can add some things, and you can do bullets, do some more, and so forth. Then you can come in here and you can add an image of something. I'm just going to do animals, but you can do something that's related to, things you like. So I'm just going to add, okay. And that's how you actually add your sections. This is actually going to be a resume, so you type the title up there, and these are my sections. And then I can actually click the play button here, and I can actually see the things that I've put in there. Okay. Now if I wanted to share it, I click the share button here. Here is the link. Okay, now make sure it says sway.office.com and then the link. So we'll click that one time, 3 times, Control C, go back to Blackboard here, go into your SWAY, and you're just going to upload the link just like we did before. click and Control V. Okay? And that's all you need to do. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.